welcome to my first and probably only Halloween video. I'm just going to be showing you guys my full glam makeup tutorial. This is just whenever I actually want to look dramatic, I wear this look. So it's either this one or my natural makeup routine. It's one of the two, usually the natural one, but for Halloween I decided to go with this makeup look. So it's not anything special, it's not especially for my prisoner costume or anything. I just wanted to incorporate that into the video because I wanted to make a cool intro, and I also wanted to just show you guys my Halloween costume for this year. So anyways, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy the video and happy Halloween! Alright guys, I'm going to start off with my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser to smooth out my skin, and then I'm going to be using an amazing beauty blender that my friend makes actually. I'm going to link her website and Instagram down below, and I'm just using my Cover FX Natural Finish Foundation to blend it in. I'm in the color G40, and then I'm going to be using the Covergirl Translucent Powder to set my foundation, and then I'm going to go in with my Bobbi Brown Bronzer, and I'm just bronzing up the skin, and I'm using no blush. So I did my eyebrows off camera because I showed you them in my natural makeup routine. I'm just going to use my Bad to the Bronze Cream Shadow by Maybelline to start with a base. And I'm using the color Faint in my Naked palette as a transition shade. And then I'm going to use the two darkest colors, Smog and Dark Horse, in the Naked palette again. And I'm just going to put that on the outer half of my eye. And here is me blending again. Then I'm just using a L'Oreal Infallible Sahara Desert eyeshadow pigment and I'm just putting that on the inner half. I'm using the same dark two shades, Smog and Dark Horse, on my bottom lash line as well to balance everything out. So then I'm using my Rimmel Nude pencil and I'm just lining my waterline with that. And then I'm going to go in with my Colossal Cat Eyes by Maybelline and just using that on my bottom lashes. Then I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, and I'm just using L'Oreal Linear Intense, curling my lashes with the Shoot Loomer eyelash curler, and applying my Maybelline The Falsies mascara in waterproof. Here, I just applied my eyelashes off camera because it was too difficult to try and make it so that you guys can see, but I'm just using my Ardell Wispies, and they are incredible. This is like my fourth use, and it looked great. And then I'm going to use the highlighter that everybody uses, which is Becca in Champagne Pop. I'm just putting that on my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose, and that is pretty much it. So this is without my ring light, totally natural lighting with overcast weather. There's my ring light, and I just decided to show you guys my comparison. So that's my full glam. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Take lots of pictures and have a safe Halloween.